What's up everyone, this is Karan here back with another video. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. So we have installed Rebillion OS custom ROM based on Android version 10 with security patch of 5th of June 2020 on our Redmi Note 8 Gingo. Why I called it as a father of customizations, and how's the performance, what is the Geekbench score, and how's the camera, everything in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started right now. Okay, so we are here at Rebillion OS custom ROM. Talking about the default launcher, we have launcher pre-installed as you can see, and launcher is the alternative of Pixel launcher, which has a lot of customization options. So as I already told you, it's a father of customization, which means customizations everywhere. Customization in status bar, customization in launcher, navigation bar, gestures, everywhere there are a lot of customization options. I'm not going to show you how you can customize your launcher because launcher is already pre-installed, which means you can install anything in this and you can customize anything here. Talking about the quick settings panel, first of all you can see this header, notification header here. It has a lot of images available. Whichever you want to choose, you can choose that one. And talking about these tiles, you can hold and drag a lot of tiles, and there are a lot of options available like hotspot, gaming mode, screen record. You can also check out the FPS info, which means frames per second info. Whenever you open this, you will see your frames per second will be shown like this. A very cool things and cool features are available here. And if you have noticed, the tiles animations are also changed like this. This is how it will be enabled, this is how it will be disabled. So there are a lot of things available. Also, if you have noticed, I have written the footer text here, subscribe to Tech Karan, so make sure to subscribe it, and you can also customize this according to your own preference. Talking about some other things, we have the camera default as MIUI 12 camera. ANX camera, which is based on MIUI 12, is pre-installed. The photo mode, talking about the ultra wide angle, everything is just fine, including portrait mode, and almost everything is just fine. This is a very interesting thing that you're using a custom ROM with a lot of customization options, including your all cameras working. That's a very positive thing, +1 for this thing in my custom ROM. Talking about other things, we have a Gcam, which is Google camera. Just allow all the permissions. I am using Gcam 7.3 by Parrot, and it has HDR plus enabled. So let's see if it's working or not. It's perfectly fine. Gcam HDR plus is perfectly fine. Talking about the portrait mode, that's also perfectly working here. So it means no issues in Gcam, no issues in default cam. Two really positive things are already available here. Another thing which we have is the Geekbench score, and talking about the Geekbench score is also pretty much impressive. You can see 318 is the single core score and 1342 is the multi-core score, and you can see if you compare it with your average score, 307 is the average score, but in this time you got 318, which there is a huge difference, and that matters a lot. And talking about the multi-core, 1300 is the average score and we got 1342. It's another very cool thing, which means just go for it, install this ROM right now. And we have just forgotten one thing about the customizations. As I already told you, this ROM has a lot of customization options. We will not take a look at the battery, display, sound, storage, etc. These all have the same things like all other things. If you're talking about the face lock, there is no face lock option available here, so you have to skip that thing. And all other things I have already shown you. It's based on Android 10 and security patch of 5th of June 2020. Rebillion Hub has a lot of customization options, so I cannot show you all the customization options because there are plenty of features. Just go and explore all the features, you will find out easily. Just take a quick look all those features. Status bar items, you can customize your VoLTE icon. There are a lot of options available: HD, VoLTE OS, VoLTE, Rebillion Z, Y, X, and Rebillion VoLTE icon. Unfortunately, my carrier does not support VoLTE, so that's why there is no option in my status bar, but you can just go and try it out. Clock settings, battery settings, and gestures and traffic indicators, all the features are available here. And talking about the themes and UI, you can customize your ascent picker, gradient picker, which I have already customized. You can see your brightness slider colors are already changed in gradient look, which you can change from here. And talking about the fonts, there are also other fonts options available: Google Sans, Samsung One, Pixel fonts, and a lot more. Talking about other things, we have quick settings which you can customize. You can customize the layout of quick settings like columns in landscape and portrait, rows in portrait and landscape, and show notification headers, which is type of Android 11 notification style. So all the important, new, and very much customizable features are available here. You can customize your buttons option, you can customize the gestures, you can customize your navigation bar, you can customize your power menu. Ambient display options are available, which you can customize, notifications. And talking about the animations, there are a lot of animation options are available, including animation style, which I have already chosen the flip one and it was perfectly working, which I have already shown you. And wallpaper, open close, move to front back, toast, list view, a lot more. There are a lot more. Go and explore all these things. Battery saving system, and at last miscellaneous. All these things I've already shown you. I hope you like this build, and I hope you're gonna surely install this build. So this was all from today's video. I hope you like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye. Have a nice day.